Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what we're making today. You want to take a half a cup of mayonnaise, about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, a third a cup of sugar. I'm substituting with Swerve, but sugar is fine. You want to add a fourth a cup of whole milk and a fourth a cup of buttermilk. You want to add 2.5 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You want a teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this together really well and just pour it over your coleslaw mix. You can grate your own if you want. And this coleslaw is really very good. I love it. It's got that sweet, it tastes like, it does taste a lot like KFC's coleslaw, although they use a finer grade of cabbage. And you want to cover it up and let it chill for a little while so that everything can marry. It'll kind of sink down a little bit. All that stuff will combine and really taste good. Be sure to sample it to make sure the season's right. And here it is out of the refrigerator. I took it to a cookout and I didn't bring any home. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.